Hey guys, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to share with you something new we've added to the shop. So as you guys know, Bold Notion Quilting is not just an awesome online shop. We have an in-person brick and mortar store, but I wanted to share with all of you folks online some new things that we've added because I'm terrible at letting you guys know when we add new things. So let's check out what we've got. So we recently added some 3-yard quilt kits. We took some bolts that were getting kind of slender and we kind of matched them all with some different colors and some different blenders so that you could work on 3-yard quilt kits. A 3-yard quilt kit is comprised of 3 individual 1-yard cuts for you to make quilts out of, and there are many patterns online that are free or otherwise that you can use with 3-yard quilt kits. One 3-yard quilt kit will make a baby size quilt, 2 will make a throw or a twin, 3 will make you a queen, and 4 can make you a king with some very simple patterns, like I said, that are out there on the internet. I love this one. It's very subtle. And lots of our 3-yard quilt kits have fabrics from similar color lines that'll work together. So we've got the Kianka fabrics here with some Hoffman. These are also Kianka and Mixology by Camelot Fabrics. We've got Moda fabrics in here. These are It Girl from Camelot Fabrics, those 3 prints, and then all of those blenders are Mixology, also from Camelot Fabrics, and some grunge. That will all work well together if you want to use them all to make one kit. So all of the kits are on the website on boldnotionquilting.com. And they are a very random 23% off because they're typically about $40 and we have them on sale for $30. So it's $10 a yard cut, sorry. So you've got a nice discount there on quality fabrics like Moda, Free Spirit, Hoffman, Camelot, and they all will make some funky, fresh, cute quilt tops. So I'm excited. I hope you guys check out boldnotionquilting.com. If you're watching this on YouTube, we'll have a link above in the video for you to watch. If you're watching this on Facebook or any other place, check out the comments below, and I will put a link to our new 3-yard quilt kit category on boldnotionquilting.com. And of course, if you have any issues, you can always call or email me, boldnotionquilting@gmail.com. Take care and have a wonderful day, y'all. Check out those 3-yard quilt kits. Bye!